When we think of luxury home design, the Mediterranean style often stands out for its timeless charm, intricate detailing, and harmonious blend of nature and architecture. A U-shaped single-story home with a central courtyard embodies this elegance, providing a sophisticated yet inviting living experience. This design choice offers a unique balance of privacy and openness, creating a haven of tranquility that resonates with Mediterranean allure. The U-shaped layout is more than just a structural preference. It's a thoughtful approach to spatial harmony. By enveloping a central courtyard, this configuration fosters a sense of intimacy while maintaining visual flow. The inward-facing architecture invites abundant natural light, enhancing the feeling of spaciousness while maintaining a sense of seclusion. This intentional design maximizes the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, capturing the essence of Mediterranean living. At the heart of this U-shaped home lies the central courtyard, a sanctuary where nature and architecture seamlessly coexist. The courtyard acts as a serene focal point, perfect for relaxation or social gatherings. Adorned with lush greenery, terracotta planters, and possibly a calming water feature, this space reflects the Mediterranean's love for nature and peaceful reflection. It's a place where morning coffee rituals and sunset reflections become part of daily life. Mediterranean design gracefully blends tradition with modern sensibilities. In a high-end luxury setting, this translates to a curated balance of rustic textures and sleek, polished finishes. Stucco walls with hand-trowel textures meet large glass doors, while warm wooden beams contrast with smooth marble flooring. Earthy, sun-kissed tones combined with contemporary touches like minimalist furniture and curated art create a sophisticated, timeless atmosphere. Inside, the U-shaped layout allows each room to enjoy views of the courtyard, creating a dynamic yet cohesive flow. High ceilings with exposed wooden beams lend an air of grandeur, while expansive windows invite an abundance of natural light. From the elegant living room to the intimate bedrooms, the interiors reflect luxury through thoughtfully chosen materials, polished travertine, custom cabinetry, and handcrafted Mediterranean tiles. This home embraces both relaxation and opulence in every detail. A Mediterranean luxury home values the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Large sliding glass doors dissolve boundaries, making the courtyard an extension of the living areas. Shaded pergolas with climbing vines, cozy outdoor seating, and dining areas become part of everyday life. Whether entertaining guests or enjoying quiet moments, the blend of indoor and outdoor living enhances the Mediterranean experience, celebrating the beauty of nature. One of the hallmarks of Mediterranean luxury is the use of natural materials that age gracefully. Stone, wood, and clay tiles dominate the design, bringing warmth and authenticity to the home. Rustic stone walls, paired with elegant wrought iron accents, provide a sense of enduring charm. These materials aren't just decorative, they embody the Mediterranean philosophy of connecting with the earth and embracing organic beauty. Landscaping plays a vital role in elevating the appeal of a Mediterranean U-shaped home. The central courtyard and surrounding gardens are carefully curated with drought-resistant plants like olive trees, lavender, rosemary, and cypress. These plants not only thrive in warm, sunlit environments, but also exude the essence of Mediterranean living. Pathways of gravel or terracotta tiles add a rustic yet sophisticated touch, guiding you through a landscape that feels both cultivated and wild. color palette of a Mediterranean luxury home often mirrors the natural surroundings: earthy terracottas, sun-baked ochres, deep blues reminiscent of the sea, and warm neutrals. Textures like textured plaster, smooth marble, and woven textiles create a layered, tactile experience. This thoughtful interplay of color and texture transforms each space into a visual and sensory experience, making every corner of the home inviting and expressive. In Mediterranean culture, the kitchen is the heart of the home, a place of warmth, family, and flavorful cooking. In a high-end luxury U-shaped home, this space is both a functional masterpiece and a design statement. Custom cabinetry in rich woods, artisan tile backsplashes, and large stone countertops bring elegance to a space designed for connection. Generous islands double as dining areas, making the kitchen a central hub that celebrates the joy of gathering. The U-shaped design offers the unique advantage of balancing privacy with openness. Bedrooms and private retreats are thoughtfully placed at the far ends of the home, ensuring personal sanctuary while still being connected to the vibrant central courtyard. This architectural choice respects the need for solitude while inviting moments of togetherness, an essential aspect of Mediterranean living. While steeped in tradition, modern Mediterranean luxury homes embrace sustainability without compromising elegance. Natural ventilation through the courtyard minimizes the need for artificial cooling, while the use of eco-friendly, locally sourced materials honors the environment. Thoughtful window placement optimizes daylight, reducing the need for excessive lighting. This sustainable approach aligns with the Mediterranean lifestyle of mindful living and respect for the environment. A luxury U-shaped home with a central Mediterranean courtyard is more than an architectural feat. It's a celebration of lifestyle, heritage, and craftsmanship. This design approach marries indoor comfort with outdoor splendor, balancing sophistication and warmth. It invites a way of living that honors simplicity, beauty, and a profound connection to nature. For those who seek a sanctuary that echoes timeless elegance, this home design stands as a captivating source of inspiration.